My dear students, welcome to the next part of the Business Studies Quick Revision 2022-23. You please remember, this video includes the maximum information for scoring 15 marks. The two chapters, Financial Management and the Financial Market. Going through the chapters, you can score 100%. Kindly note the acronym for each topic. Objectives of Financial Management, very important area. It ensures availability of sufficient funds at a reasonable cost, ensuring effective utilization or deployment of the collected funds. It ensures safety of funds and also it avoids idle finance. Please remember the acronym and the important decisions and factors are repeatedly asking in the board exam. Financial decisions include investment decisions first. You please go through the acronym for remembering the topic. Importance of investment decision or capital budgeting decision. Its long-term growth and effect. Large amount of funds are involved in it. Huge risk involved. Then irreversible decision. And another topic, investment decision. The factors, very important area. Look at the factors to be considered while taking the investment decision or capital budgeting decision. Cash flow of the project, rate of return, risk involved, investment criteria involved. And moving to the second decision, financing decision. The financing decision include lot of factors. Please remember, cost, risk, flotation cost, cash flow statement, fixed operating cost, control consideration, state capital market. Remember the acronym for remembering the topic. And the factors affecting third decision, it is dividend decision. And look at the important points, amount of earning, stability of dividend, growth opportunities of the organization, cash flow position, shareholders preferences, taxation policy, stock market reactions, access to capital market, legal constraints, contractual constraints. Please remember, note the acronym also. And a very important area, another important area in this chapter, financial planning. You know, planning, deciding in advance what is to be done in future. It is regarding fund, how to be used it, planning regarding funds. And the important points you have to remember regarding importance of financial planning. It helps the company to prepare for the future. And it helps to avoid business shocks and surprises. Helps in better coordination, eliminates wasteful effort in the departments, link present and the future, and also it provides a link between the investment and the financial decision, and it facilitates financial control. Also it helps to tackle the uncertainty that may occur in the future. Please note the acronym. And another one, it is capital structure. You know, it is a combination of borrowed fund and the owner's fund. Please remember the factors affecting capital structure, cash flow position, interest coverage ratio, debt to service coverage ratio, return on investment, cost of debt, tax rate, cost of equity, flotation cost, risk consideration, flexibility, control, regulatory framework, stock market conditions, capital structure of the companies. My dear students, normally only one problem question is coming in the board exam in the area capital structure. Kindly remember the calculation, how to calculate the earnings before interest and tax and the ROI or ROCE, and take the suitable decision depending upon the situation what you are getting in the question. And please remember the acronym also. Capital structure factors, it includes nature of the business, then scale of operation, choice of the techniques, technology upgradation, growth prospects, diversification, financing alternatives, levels of collaboration. Capital structure, please remember the factor affecting working capital. The previous one, it is fixed capital, it is working capital. Nature of business, one of the factor. Scale of operation, business cycle, seasonal factors, production cycle, credit allowed, credit availed, then operating efficiency, availability of raw material, growth prospects, level of competition, inflation. These are all the points you have to remember regarding the last topic in this chapter, financial management. Another important chapter, financial market. The functions of financial market are summarized in the acronym and the points. Mobilization of savings and channelizing them into the most productive use, facilitate price discovery, provides liquidity to financial assets, reduces the cost of transactions. If these are all the points, please note the acronym also. And the features of money market, you please remember a small topic. Now the instruments of money market is deleted on. The features are investment outlay, participants, then duration, liquidity is provided, safety and expected return. And the features of capital market, the secondary part of financial market, investment outlay, the same points are there, participants, duration, liquidity, safety. In order to get the maximum awareness, please read the textbook. Methods of flotation, in between in the board exam questions asked from this area, please remember, offer through prospectus, offer for sale, private placement, a right issue and electronic initial public offers. And the functions of stock exchange, definitely lot of times in the board exam questions were asked from this area, that is financial market, and important it is functions of stock market or stock exchange. Look at the points: providing liquidity and marketability to existing securities, pricing of securities, safety of transaction, contribute to economic growth, spreading to equity cult, and providing scope of speculation. Lot of times questions were asked from this area. If you revise the last 10 years questions, definitely 6 times the questions are asked from this area. And trading procedures in the stock exchange, you please note it, important point, and also this acronym. Selection of broker, opening demat account, placing the order, connecting to main stock exchange, then execution of the order, issuance of contract note, then delivery of the shares or payment of the cash by the investor, settlement of the deal, then delivery of the securities or payment of cash by stock exchange, or the last one, delivery of securities in demat form also. And moving to the important advantages of trading system, electronic trading system, it ensures every time transparency, then increases the efficiency of the organization or information, then increases the efficiency of the operations in the organization, improves the liquidity of the stock market, and provides a single trading platform for every investor. Moving to the objectives of SEBI, another important area, it regulates stock exchanges in India, protect the interest of investors, then they guide them and prevent trading malpractices, and also regulates and develop a code of conduct for the intermediaries like brokers. And moving to the last area, very important area for 4 marks, functions of SEBI. Look at the 3 areas are there. Regulatory function. What are the regulatory function? Please remember the acronym. Notification of rules and regulations, registration of brokers and agents, inspection and inquiries, prohibits unfair trade practices, a regulator of investment schemes, as a watchdog also it is working, levying of fees, then performing and exercising powers. And another function, development function, trading to intermediaries, promotion of fair trade practices, conducting research in education. And protective function include prohibits fraudulent and unfair trade practices, prevents insider trading, protects the interest of investors, promotes fair trade practices. And please remember the above said areas, and kindly don't forget to watch the next videos related to marketing management and also the consumer protection. Kindly share these videos with your friends. Don't forget to keep in mind the acronyms. Create a song with acronyms, then it will be very easy to remember all the points and to score 100%. That also possible. You can. All the very best.